Okay, so suppose you want to show the ending point of each of these short waterfalls. Okay, so here it's a matter of preference. So here you may want to put a line right at the end. So the first bar goes from here down to the line that shows up. Okay, if you put a line there, and then the next one will go up to that line, and then down to that line. So if you put a line which indicates the end of the bar, okay, it's probably a little more readable. I mean that's a matter of preference, and also you see how easy it is to achieve that. So what we need to do is to replicate the same thing and remove all the color and the size and everything. So you end up with just the line that we started out with, okay, and then merge the two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this profit. Then we will have two different visuals, right? So so you do control, you press control, okay, and then don't let the control go. Click, drag and drop. So now you have a second copy of that same visualization. Okay. All right. So that's the second copy. So here you have the first one and then the second one, right? So take the second one and remove the size and remove the color. So now you end up with just the ending points. Okay, so now we have to combine the two, and you do that by clicking the down arrow and selecting dual axis. So what dual axis will do is it will put one axis to the left and one to the right, okay, and then plot both charts in the same pane. All right. So now we really don't need this axis. So what we need to do is to make sure that these two axes are synchronized. So if any changes are made on one side, it is reflected on the other side as well. Okay, to synchronize, you need to right click and select synchronize axis. Okay, and then hide this, okay, show header. So uncheck show header. Okay, that will remove the header. So now we have the end points reflected there. You can even right click and format. All right. So this is the not the running sum, the second, this one is the line, right? Wait a minute. Okay, not sure about that. Okay, let's select that one. Okay, so here is, all right, so this is the, right, okay, all right. So this is the line, this one, this profit, and then you can go to color and change it. So now you see it becomes dark. Okay, but it actually, I don't know whether this is this makes the chart better or not.